Lulu, I got a surprise for you.
He better be good!
Death by...
That means explosive.
Yay. Caillou's finally dead.
In T-minus 3, 2, and showtime!
I wonder what it is.
Here I come! Who put that ball there?
Maybe it has something to do with her
Promise to bring over
something special to eat.
Fish heads! Get your ice-cold fish heads! Now I'm all free!
The final period of the curling championship, and the Penguins are up. Here comes Victor.
Swing!
It's headed straight for the red bullseye. This could be it. Fuego! That's going to be tough to beat.
Turn it off, Homer.
I can't believe this.
Hey, have you ever heard of Bellwether taking over the world with savage animals?
No, I'm not letting this clown ruin my week-long trial membership.
You better go with SpongeBob and check it out, otherwise, she will kill us all! Do it now!
I'm sorry. Forget I said anything.
This day is going to be perfect. The kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. Every pony will gather round. See, I look lovely in my gown. What they don't know is that I have fooled them all.
No!
And I'll guard every predator in Zootopia to keep it that way.
SpongeBob. Duke Weaselton has stolen money from a bank and he is about to go to the bar and get beer. You have to stop the weasel before he gets there, because he has to be 21 and older to drink.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am going to get him very well when I see him.
Come to Papa. Not so fast. Catch me if you can.
Stop on it.
I'm not letting go. Nothing will stop me. Not even...
UFO?
I'm not letting go even more.
Sloppity slops?
Slap, 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 slap. Dogo, dogo, blank. Dogo, dogo, blank. Slap, 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 slap. Dogo, dogo, blank.
You think I'll let go for a little...
3, 2, 1.
Television! Oh, no! Ah!
Looks like that got rid of him.
Oh, no, you're not.
The day is saved! Alright guys, we only have 3 days until Bellwether comes. Which means...
3 is a magic number.
See what I mean? Yes!